morning, ladies and gents. So today we are going to be, one, doing a little bit of an update on the Pulsar, but secondly, we'll be swapping both the headlights and the side lights out because this one's fine. There's some chips in it. They're all cloudy. But then if you come down and look over here, on this one, it's like a bullet hole. It's the weirdest thing. There's not actually anything here. It's like it's on the inside. It's super strange. I'm going to do that. And then these are all cloudy, and I've got new ones. Well, no, actually, they're not. It's not that they're cloudy. It's that these rubbers are coming off. You can see it just over there, all like the rubber seals and stuff. So I'm just going to take them off. And also, this doesn't actually connect to the center grille either, so that needs to be sorted. It's just a sort of way to iron it up. But first things first, just going to give you an update on what I tried to do yesterday and tried to record and failed. So, hello, ladies and gents. Right, yes, I've got no beard. Sorry. Not that anyone cares about the beard. But anyway, what I tried to do yesterday, which you can see just down here. Oh no, you can't. Here is the I've got the gimbal. Gimbal's pain in the ass. Is the gears, the shifter boot basically. It was a nightmare. So let me tell you about it. So I have a new shift boot. You know, leather, red stitching, looks good, doesn't it? Love it. Really, really nice. Shouldn't actually be going inside. It should actually go over this bit of plastic. The plastic that's ultra shiny, but is still actually 30 years old, if you can believe it. I had the biggest nightmare with this. You just will not believe. And I tried to record it all, but I got super worked up. And I just couldn't be bothered, basically. I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. So I left it. Now this, it's just been such a joke. And I will have to fix it again soon. So this was bought as a GTiR shift boot anyway, but like it's not wide enough at the bottom to go over this. So this is a piece of plastic that gets removed, right? And then there's clips on the underside. They sandwich together, and then the leathers, the shift lever, here you go, you can see it on the old one, goes over it, and then it connects up to the little holes here. On the underside, and then it sandwiches together. So it covers all of this and it sandwiches together, and it looks all solid. It's like one piece. That wasn't going to work on this one because it wasn't wide enough at the bottom. So I had a massive nightmare with this. I've managed just to put it inside, and it looks, it looks fairly all right. I quite like it. A bit strange that it's a different color. Now all the clips are broken on this, and this is just 3M'd to this other bottom piece of plastic. So I've got some epoxy on the way, which I'm then going to epoxy it on. And what I will actually do is epoxy the leather onto the underside as well. I just need to do a quick bit of Googling to see whether epoxy will work on leather. I think it will. And if it does, then this shift leather, the actual leather part, will actually be one piece with this plastic. But good for now. I quite like it. These are the brand new, not brand new, but fairly brand new side markers. And you can see actually that the rubber is in much better condition. So that's what we're going to be doing today. What is this? Oh, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's super weird. So that's what we're going to be doing today, guys. No Nick. Nick is super busy with work. Obviously we both do, you know, our own jobs as well. I've just got a spare 5 minutes to go and do this, so I just thought we'd wrap it up and make a video. If you're new here, guys, please do hit that subscribe button. Please do give the video a like, and massively, one of the biggest things which helps out channels is sharing them and commenting down below. We have we have a good few people that watch these videos, but I'd love to get a bit more interaction, you guys commenting and stuff like that. And if you do want to support and get these videos coming to you a bit quicker, then we've got a Patreon, which you can find in the description box down below. You can just sign up and you get videos quicker. Actually, you get them before anyone else, and also it helps the channel because we reinvest the money back into the channel. Side note, also do follow me and Nick on Instagram, Nate_carnonsense and Nick_carnonsense. But first things first, let's pop the bonnet and get this thing sorted. So fairly easy to fix up actually. It's literally one tab here, which will remove that hopefully. Obviously the electric's inside, and then this one, like I said, this tab's all bust, so this is why this is all a bit crap and a bit loose here. then we'll just be able to take this one out as well. Not overly sure if there's anything from the bottom. We'll have a look at that in a minute. So as you can see, got it all laid out here. Much nicer rubber. Meh, not so bad. It's the other side that's real bad. So let's crack on with this garbage. Not a bad job. Just pop you here. If you didn't know, guys, this actually goes in for its rebuild very soon, actually. It's only a couple of weeks now, and then it goes in for its rebuild. Cannot wait. It won't be ready for a long time, though, which is par for the course, I guess. But it'll be nice when it comes back. That's the main thing. So, in here, so down in here, are all the electrics. I don't know. We'll just twist them. Twist? Is it a twist? Shall we do the twist like we did last summer? It is a twist. Oh, nice. Okay, easy. Easy stuff. Right, I think you just have my head go into you as well. Weirdly, these are clear ones. And then in here, there looks to be a... That's really odd. Okay, so... I don't know whether these are going to be the right ones now. So inside the old ones, there looks to be like a lens, like an orange lens. So I'm a bit confused, actually. Have we got the right ones? I don't know. JDM? Probably not. Weird. Oh, we'll pull them out and have a look. Shall we? My ratchet snap-on. Ratchet screwdriver. This is actually really big. Really helpful. This is courtesy of a subscriber. Thank you so much. So one little screw. Take that off. Pop it in my pocket, because that's definitely never going to get lost, is it? And then I guess I'll pop this out. Okay. There you go. You can see the orange lens in there. I think I might need to take this out and put it in here. Yeah. I'm gonna have to, aren't I? How odd. Okay, well, let's take this apart and have a look, shall we? So, not sure how I'm supposed to get this out, actually, to put it into the old one. Don't think I can. It's all sort of glued on. And then this. No, I don't think I can. So, this is the old one. Yeah, that's stuck on there. I think maybe that's an add-on, you know? How weird. Huh. Alright, well, anyway. We're not going to do this. That's a no-go. What we'll do is just make sure that in here will go an orange bulb instead. But we'll leave that out for now. We will actually put the nicer one in there, because that is a much nicer one than the one which we had. It's probably a bit boring, sorry guys. Right, so I've got the headlight out, the old headlights there. This is the new one. This is the biggest faff I've ever done with headlights. You know, I thought 370Z headlights were bad, where you have to go in to the wheel arch to change the bloody bulbs. These are horrendous. You've got manual wires that you need to remove with these clips. You know, pop them in, pop them out. But then in here, you've got really difficult to get pop clips there. You know, the little wire that keeps it in. And now this has just popped out, so I've got to try and put it back in again. Look, I've got a pair of pliers as well, but I've done that first and it still didn't work. This is ridiculous. Oh, well, that was a bloody nightmare. So, this car has very clearly had a hit around here. I mean, minus that. We never know actually what causes that, which I don't know if that's ever going to be able to be fixed, but whatever. This has very clearly had a hit because the way this lines up is way off. That was actually really difficult to get in, and I even smudged up some of the sort of rubber on the bottom. It's almost like that butol stuff. But anyway, that's in now. It still looks better than it did. This is nice, fresh and new. This has no cut in it. That's all good, it's all done. Put the new clip here. Now we just need to do the same on the other side, then put it back together. That'll all be in time lapse, and I'll kind of, hopefully that'll go a bit easier, a bit quicker. That was a bloody nightmare. Loads of rusted bolts all snapped up, and then, as always, dirty. No rings this time though, you guys will all be pleased to know. So what I've got to do now is, well, it looks good. It looks much better, you'll see it now. What I need to do now is just put the centerpiece back in, lock it into place with all the clips, and then hopefully that should all line up nicely. But there's definitely been a smash on the one side, passenger side. It's all way out of kilter, but when this car goes off to paint and body and stuff like that, sometime next year, I'm not doing this anytime soon because the car cost me too much money anyway, they'll correct all of that. So let's put the centerpiece on now and then show you the finished result. So as you can see, ladies and gents, it is very wonky. You can see it drops on here, higher on there. I'd hazard to guess it does actually need to look a little bit more like that rather than that, because that would allow shit into the engine bay. But don't mind, it looks better than it did. Just need to get the amber lights for the sides, because mine didn't come with these, which is, I don't understand. If anyone knows why, let me know. If anyone wants these, let me know down below, or actually, side note, message me actually on the Instagram if you've got a Pulsar and you want these. Nate underscore, forgot my name, Nate underscore car nonsense. If you want these, let me know. We'll work out a deal and you can take them off my hands. If anyone wants the old headlight, I may sell these. I'm unsure because this is in pretty good nick and it's glass, and I don't know. If you can put a good price on it, let me know. Maybe you can have it, but please do message if you want them. There you go, ladies and gents, all done. Update on the Pulsar. Still a few more videos to do on this before it goes off, and it is going off very soon, just over 10 days, 11 days, in fact, before it leaves. Please do hit that thumbs up button. Please do share it. Thanks so much. Take care.